Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Sony WI-SP510 wireless stereo headset. So these are wireless Bluetooth earphones which come with extra bass, a 15-hour long battery life, IPX5 water resistant rating, as well as Bluetooth 5.0. So let's look at the back and see if we get any more information. You see here that it tells you that the earbuds are actually magnetic, so they will stick to each other, and it also comes with an inline control which has the volume, pause and play, track forward and back, power on, and the works. It also has a long battery life of 15 hours and comes with secure fit arc supporters, which are basically silicone wings. It also tells us that it has a water resistant model with IPX5 rating, which means you can easily use it in rainy conditions as well as when you're going to the gym, and if you're going to be sweating a little bit, it will be fine. So now let's open up the box and see what we have in here. The first thing we see seems to be an instruction manual. So let's take that out. Now let's open this up. Now we see the wireless earphones themselves. So let's set that aside for a minute. We'll come back to it. Let's see what else we have in here. So in this little plastic pouch, we seem to have a lot of things. This seems to be a rather detailed user guide, while this is just your startup guide. And this one right here seems to be, let's have a look at it. It again seems to be a startup guide of sorts. So this is your user guide with all the detailed instructions. This is your startup guide, and this is just how to plug in your charger and how to use it. So let's set those aside for a minute and look at what else we have. We have a charging cable, which is a USB Type-C charging cable. And we also have some extra silicone tips as well as silicone wings. So let's open this up. There you go. So it seems like we have a few options here for customizability when it comes to size and fit, which is always great and appreciated, so that most users can find what is a perfect fit for their own ears. Now, as you see, we have 2 extra silicone wings and 3 extra silicone tips. So there's a ton of customizability, and you can always find what fits you the best. Let's set this aside and let's look at the earphones themselves. Now you can see this comes in a very neckband shaped style. You have the large modules right here. This module is bare other than the Sony logo and the right indicator, while this module has all of the good stuff on it. You see underneath here we have the power button, the pause and play button, and the volume up and skipping tracks button. Here you have a little flap which opens up to the USB Type-C port. That's how you charge your earphones. And the earbuds are actually magnetic, as we mentioned before. These surfaces simply stick to each other, and when they're not in use and sitting idly on your chest, they'll just stick to each other and not dangle around, which is great. The nozzles of the earphones are also quite angled, which is done to ensure a better fit, a more secure fit. And here you have the silicone tips and the wings. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Sony WI-SP510 wireless Bluetooth headset. Thank you so much for watching this video.